Hello, welcome everyone. From today, we are going to start a new video series on the data analysis and visualization with Tableau Desktop. Before heading toward into the Tableau Desktop, we should know about BI. What actually BI is? BI is the process of providing relevant information to the right people at the right time so that the right decision can be made. In technical terms, business intelligence is the collection of various modern architecture, tools and technologies which work together to transform raw business data to an actionable insight so that new business decisions and strategies can be made. What actually Tableau Desktop does? Tableau Desktop is a powerful business intelligence tool. It helps to convert your raw data into different graphs and charts which provides meaningful insight. Here we have a data in Excel sheet. So the data in this Excel sheet is converted into different graphs and charts with the help of Tableau Desktop. Yes, the data in the above Excel sheet is converted to pie chart, which provides information about the percentage distribution of profession followed by Indian. Similarly, we have bar graphs. These graphs describe the number of male and female employees working on different IT company, especially who are belongs from city Kolkata. Now we are going to discuss about various Tableau products available in the market. First one is Tableau Prep. Tableau Prep is a data preparation tool that is used to clean, aggregate, merge and prepare data for analysis and visualization in Tableau Desktop. Second one is Tableau Desktop. It is a powerful business intelligence tool. As we have discussed already, it is used to convert your raw data into different graphs and charts. So, our upcoming video will be based on Tableau Desktop. And there are three different products: Tableau Server, Tableau Online and Tableau Mobile. These products are used for publishing dashboards and reports which are created using Tableau Desktop. There are many business intelligence tools available in the market, but why Tableau Desktop is the first choice for every business intelligence companies and enterprises? Now we are going to discuss it about here. First of all, Tableau can handle large amount of data with higher performance. In Tableau, it is faster and easier to create graphs and charts simply by drag and drop. Tableau also provides wide variety of visualization options so that you can transform your data into different graphs and charts. Tableau supports connection of multiple data sources such as local text file, Excel file and other different file, and server like MySQL Server, Tableau Server, Microsoft SQL Server and many more. Similarly, there are large number of Tableau professional and expert in Tableau community who share their knowledge and experience in this common platform. So newbie can learn a lot from it here. And the last one is easy to publish report. Dashboard and report which are created in Tableau Desktop can be easily shared and published by the help of three products which we have discussed already above. Now we are going to discuss about the downloading and installing process of Tableau Desktop. For this, go to the browser and search tableau.com. Here we can see there are two options. Try Tableau for free and buy now. At this moment, I am going to download free trial version. Then enter your email address. And click here. Let's run again. As I have already Tableau Desktop in my system, I am cancelling the downloading right now. I hope you have successfully downloaded the Tableau Desktop in your system. If you have downloaded, please open the file and go for installation process. It hardly takes 2 to 3 minutes for complete installation. Once the installation is complete, please open the Tableau Desktop and fill out trial registration form and click submit to active your free trial. So you can run Tableau Desktop for 14 days in free. I hope you have successfully downloaded and installed the Tableau Desktop in your system. In case if you face any problem in downloading and installing process, please share your problem in the comment section. So this much for today. In next video, we will discuss the process of connecting data in Tableau Desktop. Thank you so much for today. Please like, share and comment the video.